I might be missing pieces right now. Is that a stain? Now I will never get sponsored by Devilinspired. Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Lainey. I post occasionally. Anyways, let's just dive on into it. Today we are going to be unboxing a parcel from Devilinspired. Bum, bum, bum. I feel like every newbie Lolita immediately jumps to Devilinspired, and I've always been really reluctant to order from them due to their really high shipping costs. I decided to take one for the team and to order from Devilinspired so I can actually tell you guys all about it. But I'm kind of joking. I'm like half joking right now. I didn't have to pay for shipping because I ordered all of this on their 11/11 sale, which is when they had free shipping. And I was like, you know what? Why not? Personally, I've had no issues with Devilinspired, but basically a lot of people started having issues with Devilinspired following their 11/11 sale, and it got me really worried. Ordering directly off of them did raise a few red flags as well. Two major red flags for me personally were the processing time. The processing time is 2 to 3 months. Which I understand maybe it's a couple weeks because they are Taobao resellers, so all of their items, they're not Devilinspired. Devilinspired simply resells them from other brands. But 2 to 3 months? That seems a little bit crazy, especially when that doesn't even include shipping time, and other resellers, their competitors, you'll order the package and you'll receive it within a month, and they're also resellers. But not only that, then you have your shipping times, and a lot of people have complained about choosing more expensive shipping and just not getting their items within that expected window. And then the big red flag is that once you receive the parcel, you have 3 days to make any returns that you want to make. I even screenshotted this on my phone and I'll read it to you because I could not believe my eyes. I could not believe that you would have 2 to 3 months for processing, an additional, 1 to 2 months for shipping, and then your customers have only 3 days if they want to return it or if there's something wrong with the items. A lot can happen in 3 days. For example, this was delivered to me on January 6th. Do you know what happened on that day? There was a domestic and tomorrow I have a job interview, so that only gives me today if I want to open it and review it, because otherwise I'm busy and I'm not going to get to it. That's so frustrating. For their return policy on their website, please contact customer service within 3 days after you received your package if you would like to return an item or exchange it. And then it says, we accept returns and exchanges for items within 4 days after being received, in original conditions which have not been washed, altered, or used. And that makes sense. Like, if you washed your item or if you took in a sim ripper to it to try to make it bigger or smaller, I get that. But you're giving people 3 to 4 days when you yourself are taking up to 5 months? Sorry, that's my whole rant on Devilinspired. Apart from their like extremely expensive shipping prices. Now I will never get sponsored by Devilinspired. I ordered quite a bit. I ordered 6 different items. I ordered a JSK, the matching KC, wrist cuffs, and then 3 pairs of different socks. Like I said, I ordered this from the 11/11 sale, and I believe it was shipped out on the 18th of December and it arrived on the 6th. So it took like 3 weeks to get here, which is pretty standard. And then processing time was a little over a month and a week, so 5 weeks. Okay, let's just open it up because I gotta see if there's any issues with it so I can get a refund. Let's just pull everything out. I might be missing pieces right now. Unless they're in the dress package, I don't see the wrist cuffs and I don't see the matching KC. Oh no. I know another issue people were having were that their items were being received and pieces were missing, or Devilinspired would refuse to give them a refund or a partial refund. I'm really worried right now. Anyways, let's start off with the socks. I ordered these guys, these red burgundy socks for my Deer and Forest OP because I just thought I needed socks to go with them. I have red shoes right now with these little cute bows on them. I think I might want to get some brown tea parties to go with that dress. So these are just called Wine Red Bonnet Lolita socks by HAWU. They were $9.50, which is kind of expensive for a pair of socks if you ask me. I guess for Lolita socks it's not that expensive, and these do look really nice. So let's just open these guys up. Oh, these are so cute. They're they're stuck together. I don't want to rip them. They're like a really nice knit fabric. There's a loose thread on them though. The ribbon is like really weird. It feels like a linen, like a loose linen. And then there's like a really cute gear and gem on the little center bow. These are adorable though. I really like these. The next pair of socks that we got are, I have two pairs of white socks. I'm not sure which one these are. I think these might be these bunny socks that I ordered, which are Plush Rabbit Ear Bonnet Sweet Lolita Socks by Miss Socks. I'm really worried about these. Someone on Ruffle Chat, I think it was, said that they ordered some Miss Socks socks from Devilinspired and they were sent the completely wrong item. So these do look right from just the outside packaging, and they're sealed into, which is really nice. That way I know mine are brand new. Satisfying. I just thought these were adorable. Oh, they're so cute. No, these are so cute. They have little bunny ears on them. I got them from for my Bunny Herbology JSK because they're just so cute, and they have little bunny tails on the back. I love these. Okay, best $4.40 I have ever spent. They're also really thick. Like, they're like actual sock thick material. They're not like those like kind of nylon-y, spandexy feeling. Like, they feel like cotton blend socks, if that makes sense. No, these are adorable. These are so cute. The ears are like this really soft fabric. I have no clue what it is. It kind of feels like Velcro, like the soft side of Velcro, not the like spiky side, if that makes sense. But I'm so excited to wear these. I kind of just want to put them on. They're so cute. I will resist my temptation because they do not match the JSK I'm wearing right now. And then my other is also a pair of Miss Socks. I'm not really sure what these are gonna look like because I'll just show you. Like, the photos on screen right now, I didn't know if these were going to go up to my knees or if these were going to be like kind of ankle shin socks because it doesn't really specify. All it says is like with or without bows. But let's open these. These are another Miss Socks brand. These ones are called Small Bonnet Girls Under Knee Lolita Stockings. Oh, so they are under knee then. Okay. They're packaged pretty nicely. These I actually got with the intention to wearing with this JSK that I'm wearing right now. They're very, very wrinkled, but it doesn't really matter because they are socks. They have these little rufflies on the top. These do not look like they're gonna go over my knees. Look how tiny those are. There's a bit of stretch, but these are definitely not under the knees. Oh, there's like a really cute heart pattern, and when they stretch out, they kind of look like fishnets. Oh, these are very, very white. They are not like a soft white like the white in this JSK is. These are like a very, very white. Actually, they're very, very stretchy, and they do stretch out, and they look like fishnet stockings. And these are really cute. They have like a really prominent heart pattern. I quite like these. I quite like these, especially for $3. I think these are really nice. I'm a bit worried if they're gonna snag, but I can always put on socks over them. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the main piece. This JSK also is supposed to have the matching Casey and wrist cuffs, and this is called Continuous Whale, and it's the JSK 1 version in Lavender by Freesia tail. And the JSK itself was really cheap. It was only like $27.60, which I think is extremely cheap, like extremely cheap, which is a little scary. And then the Casey is, yeah, the matching Casey was $9.30 and the wrist cuffs were $8.10. Altogether, really, really cheap. I'm a little worried for the quality, but I just loved this print so much. I ordered it in a size medium. By the way, I'm 5'5" for height reference. Let's just open it up. I'm really worried. I don't think the matching Casey and wrist cuffs are in here. Oh my god, they are. They just fell out of the dress. Holy crap. Wow, this is thin. This is really thin. I can see the light straight through it. That's really sad. They do have waist ties though. I just love this print so much. And I knew it, I knew I was gambling. I knew it was probably gonna be really thin and cheap, and it is. Everything is so sheer, but I just love the print. It was so bad. Okay, well, let's start off with some of the easier pieces. We do have the KC in here. Thank God. I was really, really worried. Let's just open it up. Oh, it's cute. It's so small. There's a few loose threads on the KC. There's no built-in wire like in my Honey Honey Annie's Breakfast KC, which is the only one I know. But it is like sewed down, which is a little weird, but I guess it's to make it stay in place. Overall, it's really cute. It's a nice lavender color. It's a bit more like blue than the JSK that I'm wearing. Let's put it on. I should probably take my clippy out. Should I? Wow. Wait. It's stuck in my wig. Ah! Yeah, I've just always loved this JSK since I first saw it like a few months ago. It's just always been in the back of my mind, and I like bookmarked it. Like I wrote down in my notes what JSK it was and the link to it. That's pretty cute. You know what? How does this look on camera? Because in real life they're like a little off. Well, they're kind of off, but I'm wondering if it's a close enough match where I can get away with wearing this with this JSK. Okay, so overall, I think it doesn't look too bad. It stays up pretty nicely despite no wire. Then we have the wrist cuffs. So let's open these up. Oh, these are very wrinkled. Very, very wrinkled. Yeah, they're just a simple piece of 1/4-inch elastic and then just 2 strands, like the white over top and then the little purple material. And it's just serged. There's no cute charms on it or anything. They're very loose. This would definitely fit someone with bigger wrists than me. They're actually kind of loose on my wrists, but I also have very tiny wrists for whatever reason. Actually, I think I could get away with wearing these with this JSK. They color match pretty well. I don't know if that's just me. What do you think? Can I get away with this? Please, let me know. You know what? I quite like these. These are really cute. They do look kind of cheap, but I think in photos and on video, no one's gonna know. No one's gonna know. So that leads us to the main piece, which is the JSK. Is that a stain? Oh my god, it is. There's a stain on the strap. Like a red mark on the strap. The straps are also adjustable. They have 2 buttonholes, so you can adjust it that way. They're very, very tiny and they're very thin. It is lined. The lining is very, very sheer. It's not particularly soft. It's not like a silk nice lining. The back is fully sheared. Let's see, is there a zip? I don't think there will be a zip because it's a cheaper material. No, there is no zip. Oh man, I don't like stuff without a zip. The bow up top is removable. It's safety pinned on, and it is basically the same as the JSK. It has some lace on it. There's 2 gold buttons, which are pretty cute. Is that another stain? Oh my god, there's another stain under, like, in between the buttons. What do I do? Yeah, there's another stain in between the 2 little heart plastic buttons on it. Okay, this, like, white material, it's all serged everywhere. It's very, very thin. It's so thin. Where does the overskirt end? Does it go? Yeah, the overskirt goes all the way across. It's like this kind of shiny, iridescent fabric, which I don't really like that much, but we'll see how it looks. And then the actual print itself, it looks pretty crisp. It's just very sheer. I'm really worried about how sheer it is. Yeah. I'm like off my game today. Also with this material, it's like definitely the type of material where if you poke a hole in it accidentally or something, it's gonna fray like crazy. Let's just try it on. The waist ties are kind of boring. There's nothing cute going on with the waist ties, but they are removable. And this heart was sewed upside down. This is really disappointing. And this one is sewed on sideways. Okay, let's just try it on. Okay, I have it on! I have to say it was super easy to fit like on over my body. I was really worried about a zipper, but this shirring on the The shirring on the back is just so insanely stretchy that it was really easy to fit over my hips, and I was really worried about it being sheer, but I'm wearing a black petticoat underneath it and you can't even tell. So I think that's really good that like you can't tell it's a black petticoat. I really need to get a white one. I'm gonna get a Me Likes Tea petticoat, I promise, eventually. Yeah, when I first tried it on I was like, oh no, no, because I think my mentality was that literally like 2 seconds beforehand I was wearing my Angelic Pretty JSK, and just the quality difference from going from this like brand dress that's just silky smooth, really nice stitching, really beautiful detailing, to something that's like very cheap Taobao brand was like, oh my god, the difference. But now that I've been like sitting in it, swishing my skirt, like taking mirror selfies, I do feel a little bit better about it. And I do think this is going to be a dress that I'm going to wear a lot because I really love sea animals, and this is a dress that I've really wanted for a long time. If you will excuse me, I'm gonna go ask my mom what she thinks because I need her stamp of approval. No, seriously. I hope you enjoyed this video. Overall, I don't know if I'll order from Devilinspired again because of like a lot of red flags with like processing time, and then only, you know, 3 days if you want to return, and I know a lot of people have had issues with them. But I also like that it was a way for me to support like a YouTuber who is a mutual that I really like. I don't know, I might order from them again if they have another free shipping thing. Maybe I might. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have ordered from Devilinspired, what was your experience like? Would you recommend this company, especially to newbies and beginners, or would you stay clear of this company? Let me know what you think, because I feel like, I don't know, I'm just curious. Let me know. Let me know what your opinion is on Devilinspired. And until next time, I will see you later.